This video is not a substitute for reading and following the information contained in the service manual. All service procedures should be performed by an appropriately trained and authorized service technician with the necessary certifications. The kit used in this video comes with a power cord, but the steps of installation are the same for both kits. Remove the screws securing the cover on the terminal box. Remove the cover. Disconnect the wires coming from the dryer to the terminal block. Remove the screws securing the terminal box to the back of the dryer. Remove the terminal box. Remove the new terminal box from its packaging. Feed the wires from the dryer into the back of the new terminal box. Secure the terminal box to the back of the dryer. Reconnect the wires to their terminals. Attach the power cord if necessary. Replace the terminal box cover and secure it.